put this makeup on with the filter on. As a natural redhead, I wonder if I can recreate this look. I am not a makeup artist, but I'm going to try to recreate a filter that clearly looks nothing like me because that's like a glam filter. I'm gonna start with this Peter Thomas Ross cream. This is the whole face tightening cream, so I'm gonna try it under my eyes. Here it leaves a cast if you don't. Disappearing. Look, it's gone. I don't have any kind of under eye bag now. Let's see how this goes. The freckles are gonna be fun because I don't have a lot of natural freckles. The only part about my red hairedness is the fact that I am fourth Mexican and I don't have like any Irish blood or anything like that. So I do this a lot to my nose already. Kind of see it now underneath the filter. I'm not even like looking in another mirror, so this could be super scary. It's gonna be a surprise for you and me. There's not a lot of contouring in other places. I think that this is contouring me a little bit here, so I'm gonna do some contours under the jawline to mimic that. Yeah, that's definitely contouring me there. I can tell as when I do the filter. I just realized there's a teeny bit on the nose. Right here. It's like there's like a rosy tone, so I'm gonna take this color and kind of put it right here. Well, I'm definitely making it darker than this. It's not looking the same as the filter, but you know, we do what we can when you're not a makeup artist and you're trying to copy a filter while the filter's on your face. I'm going to go with this lighter color here to try to blend it in a little bit because I can't see what the heck I'm doing. Now I'm gonna blend it out with this color here. Okay, found some lights. I'm gonna use this little brush and get the insides of my eyes. Oh my goodness, this is hilarious. Mostly because I can't see my face. Tell if this split it or not because of the filter. Oh, the freckles, just wait. Got this brush here. I'm gonna give myself freckles. It'll be a surprise to all of us. I'm not gonna take this filter off until I have finished doing my eyeliner with a filter on my face. I guarantee you that I did not put enough freckles on my face. I think that this is blush here and this is blush here a little bit, so I'm gonna give myself a little bit of rosy cheeks. Won't be so pretty. Also, I think I need some glow right there. Put some glow on my nose. Oh, isn't I so cute? Maybe some glow here. This lipstick, I'm gonna put it on off camera because like I'm running out of time in my recording. Okay, let's sculpt these brows a little bit. Nice my eyebrows look. Okay, let's fill in the brows since we don't actually know if any of them are getting filled in or not because the filter does it for me already. I'm gonna put a lip oil over my lips. Lather it up. Like, it'd be better if I had lashes, but I'm not a makeup person, so I don't have lashes. All I have is crusty, dusty mascara that I've had forever. All right, you ready to see what my makeup looks like? We're all gonna see this together. Oh my gosh, look at the freckles. This is probably the worst makeup I ever lie. Oh, this is so bad. My under eyes look great though, so this was good. Everything else is a complete disaster.